Hey guys, I got a doozy of a case for you today. This is Carmen. She has terrible low back pain, so bad that she has foot drop. Her neurology of her leg is just not working properly. I'm going to show you what she looks like walking down the hall. You can see she's grabbing stuff. She's using a cane. She's barely moving. She's tried distraction or traction. She's tried electric stimulation. She's been to pain specialist, chiropractors, female, male, and physical therapy, none of which have helped her. You can see her pain here, and she's off balance again. Her x-ray's 30-degree scoliosis with tons of arthritis. We adjusted her.
Good.
Woo! It went dark.